Hey guys, today let's try to fix the top part of our lock screen wallpaper being blurry. So on different photos, let's say for this one for example, we may experience something like this on our iPhone device, and the main reason as to why this is happening is because the photo doesn't fit the whole screen. So for example, in this photo right here, this doesn't really fit the whole screen, and this actually has some alterations with the photo, which is why it's filling it up with, of course, the blurry top part of the screen. Now you could also go ahead and double check that and try to change that by trying a new photo. So you could actually go on over and edit this. Let's tap on customize and customize that lock screen. And let's try to go ahead and change the color of this to something darker. Or you could also try something lighter. Now, whichever one you basically choose, that is going to be basically up to you as well. And once you're happy with what you have chosen, just tap on done once you're done, and the changes is going to be saved. Now, necessarily, if you want to go ahead and change the option of the blurry top part, as I said a while ago, my advice is to change the photo and make sure that your photo is actually filling up the whole screen of your wallpaper or your lock screen. Like for example, on this photo right here, it is basically filling the whole screen, which is why we don't have any blurry options on the top part, and same goes with this photo over here. And essentially that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.